In this ManyChat template tour, I'm going to show you a messenger bot called the Boost Social Proof. Now this messenger bot is going to first deliver a promo code, then it's going to follow up to make sure that that promo code was used, and then it's going to ask for a review. Now if that review was positive or negative, then that is going to direct the user down two different channels. A lot of cool stuff is going to happen. So I'm going to show you that here in a second. If you want to get this template, all you got to do is go to bit.ly/MC templates. That's bit.ly/MC templates. Also, if you have not gotten our free ManyChat cheat sheet covering the 11 crucial features that your ManyChat Messenger bot must have, then be sure to head over to bit.ly/MC cheat sheet. That's bit.ly/MC cheat sheet, and we'll send it over to you in a Facebook message. So make sure that you're logged into Messenger, and then also when that message window pops open, type in the word learn. Now this ManyChat cheat sheet is also going to come with a video walkthrough. So if you're like me and you're not a big reader, you can easily watch the video where we're going to go deep in depth on everything that PDF covers. So now let's go ahead and jump into this ManyChat template tour. So we are here inside the growth tools section. Now this template comes with two growth tools, the JSON Facebook ads growth tool and the Messenger ref URL growth tool. Now this is the first message that they receive right here. Once they click on that Facebook ad or that ref URL, they're going to get this GIF of this cat kind of pawing like that saying hi. You can easily change this GIF. If you don't like it, you just click on it and then upload your own GIF. And then it's going to say, hey there, are you ready to receive your promo code to get X% off your next purchase? Now, this is left open for you to put in whatever percentage you want to give in order to get this review and things like that. So you put that in there, and then they will click on the heck yes button. Again, you can change the copy. If you don't like the heck yes, you can easily change that button title, and then they're going to be sent this message right here, this heck yes message right here. So then it's going to say, great, use the promo code below and make sure to use it soon because this special offer expires in X days/weeks. You can put that in there. If you don't even want to mention that it expires, you can easily just delete that. Then there is a typing delay of 2 seconds, which again, you can edit and you can change it to make it 5 seconds, 10 seconds, whatever you want. And then they're hit with this GIF right here, showing the minions going crazy. And then this message with the actual promo code is given to them. Now, the reason why we put the promo code in this individual message box right here is because on mobile, people can easily put their finger, hover over it or push it, and then it will easily copy that promo code if the promo code is the only text inside that box. So something to keep in mind. So they go ahead and copy the promo code, and then they click on this button right here, which is going to link to your Shopify site, your BigCommerce site, wherever your e-commerce site is. That's where you want to link them to. You can link them directly to the product page or pretty much wherever you want. Then after that whole thing happens, there is a smart delay that starts for 7 days. Now you can easily change this again. You can change it to 3 days, 5 days, however much time you want to pass until you then follow up on that promo code to make sure that they actually took advantage of that promo code. So the smart delay starts, there's time that passes, and then this flow is started right here. So after that smart delay happens, they will then receive this GIF of this little guy saying hi, and they'll receive this message right here. Now all of this information and text above this dotted line is us just giving you insight into what you should look to do with this message, what goal you should look to accomplish, how you should phrase your copy, stuff like that. So we recommend that you delete this information right there because that's just for you to really read. Now this is what the user sees. Hey there, just checking in with you. Have you had a chance yet to use your promo code? Click the button below to reply. They were going to say yes or no. So if they say no, they will get this message right here that says, okay, if you'd like to still make a purchase, make sure to use the promo code below. I don't want to annoy you, so you can always unsubscribe at any time by typing stop. Now again, you can easily take this out if you don't like that copy being in there, but we highly recommend that you always tell the users how easy it is to unsubscribe, and it actually makes you look a lot better by telling them so that you're not keeping that hidden and things like that. Then there's a little bit of a delay, Again, you can change this delay to be as long or as short as you'd like. And then you deliver them the promo code once again and link them over to your website. Now, after they click on that, it's going to have a smart delay wait for a little bit longer, as you can see right here. Again, you can set it. Right now it's set for 7 days. You can set it for however long you want the delay to happen. And then they are sent this message again with the guy waving, saying, hey there, just checking in. Have you had a chance to use your promo code yet? Now, if they click no, not yet, then it's just going to keep on going through that loop. If they click yes, I did, then it will tag them with this placed order tag, and it will send them this message right here. Start with this GIF right there, the guy doing the thumbs up, and then it'll say, awesome. What did you think about your product and your experience? So if they say could be better, it will tag them potential unhappy customer and will send them this message right here. I'm sorry to hear that. Can you tell me about your experience? Now they'll be able to write in their experience, what they didn't like about it, things like that. And then once they submit their answer, it will notify the admins of the page. So you'll want to make sure that you set that up properly. Now this template comes with a full tutorial. It'll show you how to set all this up. So don't you worry if this is overwhelming at all to you. Then after they submit their response, it's going to hit them with this GIF right here. And it will give them a little confirmation message saying, thanks, we'll get back to you shortly to try to make this right. Thanks for your feedback. So that's if they were not happy with their purchase. And if they say yes, everything is good, then they will get sent this message right here. Great, I'm so glad. Would you be so kind to leave us a short review about your experience? Click one below. So if they say no thanks, I don't want to leave a review, then they're going to get this message right here saying no worries, thanks anyway. If you ever want to unsubscribe, just type stop. Now again, you can easily remove this text if you don't want to say that. You can change this text. It's very simple to just click in there and edit it however you'd like. If they say, yeah, I'll leave a review, then it's going to add a tag saying clicked, I'll leave a review, and it's going to send them this message right here. It'll say, great, tell me what your experience was like in your next message, and it'll have a input box. Now make sure that you create a custom field for all of your input messages like this, because that's how the information is actually saved, is in that custom field, and you'll want to name it whatever you'd like to name it. Then after that review is given, they're going to be tagged, clicked, left a review, and it's going to notify the admins. Then their confirmation message after they actually left the review will be this GIF right here of that guy jumping on the table, dancing around, saying, thanks so much for the review, and thank you again for your purchase. Now, we have a little rule here. We have a rule set up that's also included in the template that if they click, I'll leave a review, but they don't actually input and leave a message right here, then it's going to follow up with them and send them this message. It'll say, hi first name, I hope you're well. I don't believe I got your review yet. Are you still willing to share that with us? If they say sure, they're going to be tagged, I'll leave a review, clicked I'll leave a review, and then they're going to be sent this message right here. Awesome, tell us about your purchase and your experience. And then another keyboard input. Again, you make sure that you'll want to create a custom field there. And then the confirmation message, same as before, guy jumping up on the table, Chandler from Friends, and saying, thanks so much for your review, and thank you again for your purchase. If they say no thanks, then they will be sent this message right here. No worries, thanks anyway. If you ever want to unsubscribe, just say stop. So that is pretty much the entire flow. Again, to recap, they opt in, they get their promo code, they go use their promo code, or if they don't use their promo code, they're followed up with saying, hey, have you had a chance to use your promo code? If not, we'll start another delay. So then that delay starts. So then if they say, yes, I've used my promo code, how was your experience? Was it good or bad? If they say, no, it was not so great, You collect that information about why it wasn't great. If they say, yeah, I had a great experience, then they leave that review, and they're followed up with, if they click, I'll leave a review, but they don't actually leave a review. So pretty in-depth message flow right here, getting them to purchase and then getting a review out of them so that you can put that review on your website, on your product page, everything like that. So again, if you want to get this ManyChat template, then go to bit.ly/mctemplates. That's bit.ly/mctemplates. If you haven't yet downloaded our free ManyChat cheat sheet covering the 11 crucial features that your ManyChat Messenger bot must have, then head over to bit.ly/mccheatsheet. That's bit.ly/mccheatsheet. We'll send it to you in a Facebook message, and when you visit that link, a message window is going to pop up and you'll want to type in the word learn, and then you'll be able to get access to the PDF download and the video walkthrough that we have there. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.